Pretty good.
All right, we're here to demonstrate our improvements to the core mounting technique. Here we have a 48-inch core mount on which we've been mounting some FIA tree cores from Southeast Alaska. And you can see we've been using some hold-down clamps that are machined at UAA in order to apply pressure across the entire core. Now, if you zoom in here, you can see we've just mounted a balsam poplar core from Southeast Alaska, and it may be a little harder to see, but it was in quite a few pieces when it came out of the increment borer. So this is one situation where if you were relying on tape or string or maybe something that would give you less pressure and maybe less control over where the pressure goes, you may find yourself shearing off pieces of the core in the surfacing process. But by implementing these hold-down clamps, you're able to use as much pressure as needed on each individual segment of the core to make sure that even these tiny broken pieces are getting pressure down and allowing the glue to cure across all of them. And we can even skip sections of the core to make sure that they're held down on both sides, and then fill in the middle as much as needed, including even getting these two bits on the end. So this is maybe a most extreme use case scenario where we're dealing with a severely broken core, but a typical core that comes out of the borer in great shape is not going to need this much clamping, this much pressure, just a few throughout the length of the core. But we found this is a great approach, practically infinitely reusable, really easy to teach technicians how to use it, quick to apply, quick to remove once the glue cures, and then you're good to go.